Hey guys, sorry it's been a while. I'm back. Got the Pokemon Sword and Shield Fusion. Let's get straight to it. There we go. Alright, ooh, classic Vulpix. Classic Chansey. Love a Chansey. Zigzagoon. One of those new fangled Pokemon. Ooh, Mankey. Classic. Clauncher. Here we go. Reverse Hollow. Beware. Kind of nifty. Stage 2 Electros. New lightning Pokemon. Energy. Electric. Is that the same one? Electric, the one that evolves into Electros. Dunsparce. Dancer, Trainer. And wow, that was an underwhelming pack. But you know what? It's just the way she goes. So, love yourself, stay focused.